Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the Power Electronics Lab. Today, we will see the experiment to analyze function of freewheeling diode or RL load in a single phase controlled rectifier. Okay. In single phase controlled rectifier with inductive or RL load, if load connect freewheeling diode, then see what will happen. After completion of the positive half cycle, spikes will be generated, and in this case actually value of inductance is very low, so amplitude of spike is very much less. But if the value of inductance is high, the amplitude of this spike will rise and it may damage the SCR. Okay. So we should connect freewheeling diode across the load. So what are the advantages of freewheeling diode? So first one is it reduces the spike, reduces high voltage reverse spike. So it will prevent the SCR from reverse high voltage in reverse direction. Second, energy stored in the inductance will be utilized if we connect freewheeling diode across the load in reverse bias. Okay, and wave shape of the after connecting freewheeling diode, the shape of waveform also improves. Okay. And third one is power factor will also improve if we connect the freewheeling diode when we use inductive or RL load. Okay. So I repeat this. There are three advantages of freewheeling diode if we are using RL or inductive load. First one is energy stored in the inductance will be utilized and it will be given to the load. Okay. Wave shape of the waveform will improve. And third one is power factor will also improve. Okay. And it also protect the SCR or whatever we connect instead of SCR. Okay. So now let us see without freewheeling diode what happens. Without freewheeling diode, after completion of positive half cycle, high amplitude voltage spikes are generated in the reverse direction and it may damage the SCR. And after connecting the freewheeling diode into the circuit, the spike of reverse voltage vanishes. Okay, it disappears. So these are the advantages of freewheeling diode. Okay, thank you.